I'm Anil Kumar, and now we will see how to solve rational equations. In a way, these rational equations are more like solving linear equations. Let us see how. The first one here is 4 over 5x equals to 6 over 2x minus 1. So whenever you solve a rational equation, you should begin by writing the restrictions. So here, as you know, x cannot be equal to 0 since that will make that 0. You cannot divide by 0 and it cannot be equal to half also. So these are the two restrictions on the first equation. Now to solve this, it is more like a ratio. So the strategy being applied here is cross multiply. So we will do cross multiplication to solve these equations. What I mean is, I'll multiply 6 by 5x and 4 by 2x minus 1. So that is the cross multiplication we're talking about. So we'll have 4 times 2x minus 1 on the left side and 6 times 5x on the right side. So that is cross multiplication. In a way, we multiplied both sides by the common denominator, which is 5x times 2x minus 1. On the left side, 5x gets cancelled. You are left with 2x minus 1. On the right side, 2x minus 1 gets cancelled. You are left with 5x. So that is the result. Now we can apply the distributive property. Open the bracket. We get 8x minus 4 on the left side, and 6 times 5 is 30. So we get 30x. Some of you could have actually divided both by 2. Now, in that case, you could have simplified it further, right? So 4 and 6 you could have simplified by dividing by 2, right? That was a good idea. Okay, now we can bring the x terms together and simplify it further. So we have 8x minus 30x equals to 4. 8 minus 30 is negative 22x equals to 4, and x is equals to negative 4 over 22, which could be written as negative 2 over 11. So that is the value of x, which is the solution. And since that is not a part of our restriction, that is indeed the solution for this particular equation, right? So that is how we will solve a rational equation as given to us. The next equation basically is a linear equation, if you see. But the strategy is kind of same. We'll cross multiply here also. So we have 5x plus 2 equals to 3 times 6 minus x. So we can expand the right side, which is 3 times 6 is 18 minus 3x. On the left side we have 5x plus 2. Bring the x terms together. 5x plus 3x equals to 18 minus 2, which is 16. And anyway, we should write 5x plus 3x is 8x is equals to 16, and x is equals to 16 over 8, and that gives us x equals to 2 as our solution, right? So this is also a rational equation, right? But in any case, it is more like solving linear equations. So there are times when the rational equations solution may be kind of similar to that of linear equations. But whenever you have this kind of a situation, cross multiplication is a good idea to solve such equations. I hope that helps. Thank you.